This is the installation video for the CTK VX43 kit, valid for the Vauxhall Corsa from 2017 onwards. To start, use a panel tool to remove the main dash panel. Once the main dash panel is out of the way, begin to undo the two screws that hold the main fascia in place. When the screws have been dealt with, use a panel tool to remove the fascia, disconnecting the wiring on either side in the process. Remove the four screws that surround the main head unit. You will then need to unclip the top fan panel and disconnect the hazard switch. This will reveal a fifth screw for the head unit, which will also need to be removed. Once the screws are out of the way, remove the head unit completely and disconnect all of the wires. Take your new head unit and begin to attach the brackets. You can now start to attach all the connections from the inf adapter to the vehicle. For a breakdown of the specific connections, please refer to the instruction manual. Once all the connections are made, you can connect the inf adapter's mini ISO connector to the aftermarket stereo's harness. Now that the stereo is fully connected, begin to slot it into the dashboard and use the pre-existing screws to hold it firmly in place. Grab your new fascia panel and, after connecting both buttons, screw into place using the previous screw arrangement. Reattach the hazard switch and replace the fan panel, and then complete the installation by replacing the main dash panel. With the CTK VX43 kit installed, you are now able to control the volume and track settings through your steering wheel controls, as well as access the full inf adapter menu. To get more information about this product, refer to our contact details on our website at www.connex2.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels to keep up with the latest news and developments of in-car entertainment.